Good morning guys. Until now the tropical storm o typhoon already guys Saipan. Maulan pa rin guys, already 1 week. Kahit yung bulaklak ng ating dragon fruit mukhang na okay na guys, kasi lumabas na yung mga dragon fruit, ng dami ng bunga. And ito guys ang harapan ng bahay ko guys. Saka sa ngayon hindi muna tayo nag-fishing doon sa WSR. Mukhang may naggumagawa doon guys. Ito no, kita yan sa orange sa uniform. Yan, zoom lang natin guys. Sa ngayon ang project natin guys, dahil na madilim, binuksan ko lang ang sa kalangitan, mahangin. Shout out pala kay Omar Oyste with Jose Rapago and Mark Rapago, good morning. And si Dan 670 in Guam, kasi Gio vlog guys in the fishing tackle. And si Jerry, shout out guys, good morning o good afternoon na. Kaya tayo nagkuha ng video ngayon sa araw na ito dahil si Papa Jerry tinitingnan niya ngayon ng weather. Good morning din kay Mami Linda in the Sacramento, California, and kay may darling ko guys, good morning sa lahat yan. Dito sa Saipan ngayon medyo hindi magandang panahon. And shout out sa lahat na lang ang mga vlogger sa Saipan. Okay, si Buhani Bjorn busy siya dun sa kanyang pagbablog din sa Las Vegas guys. Pero tayo dito na tayo sa Saipan. By the way, bago ko makuha itong labas weather sa Saipan, ito naman ang ating ngayong project sa loob ng bahay ko. Dahil mayroon tayong ano guys, kasi yung langaw mamaya guys, papasok na. Ito guys, I prepare my things guys, for my hook. Ayan guys, yung gamit ko si Mr. B magic stick with a rod and drill. Kaya ito na ang ating gagamitin. So, magandang panahon bukas. Pasensya na kayo sa aking kwarto dahil magulo mabubot ko dito guys. Yan mga gamit sa aking kwarto. Kaya maganda na tayo guys sa ating pagpipising. Okay, magchismisan tayo guys after this one guys. Okay. Okay guys, continue naman natin ang ating project ngayon sa loob ng bahay ko guys. Hindi naman tayo nakapag-fishing. You're not fishing in this 2 days ago already, but you see the catching last 2 days ago is a lot. By the way, like 5 pounds I catching. 5 pounds, 6 pounds guys. Very easy. That's the one I tell you guys my technique. Kayo ng TikTok guys Ngayon may bago naman akong idea guys. Kasi wala akong sinker. Kita ito guys. Kung gusto nyo sa atulay o yan man guys yan naman ang ano ko, gawin kong sinker o mang-ii ako guys. Para tuloy lang yung ano ko, ang paggawa ko nito guys. Sa totoo lang, maraming isda. Tingnan yung video ko dating. Magkalmado lang yung dagat. Mga harvest naman tayo guys. Kayo dyan sa Pilipinas, may typhoon dyan. May typhoon din kami rito. May typhoon din dito. Yung ginagawa ko yung mga prepare for my things to going to fishing. Everything is clear already. Ayos. Kaya I wish afternoon the sky is clear. I trying, but if not clear in the sky, hindi mo na ako mag-fishing guys. Pero I promise you guys na marami tayong huli. I-help sa natakas. Mga kababayan guys sa Pilipinas, please support my channel. Ibang pagpipising namin dito sa Saipan o sa territory ng Amerika, ang Saipan. Kaya kayo dyan sa Pilipinas din, kanya-kanya diskarte sa pagpipising. Kasi cook muna tayo guys. Pag ganito pagkatapos ng typhoon, guys, honest to guys, somebody want to me again about my technique, everything. I share everything, but some people they don't like to want to share my technique, guys. Honest to you guys. But if Papa Joey enjoy, you can enjoy too, right? Yeah, guys, enjoy fishing lang guys. Kasi prepare for my another fishing idea. Kaya this weekend, a lot of bapuri again. Freeze. This time guys, I know it's a lot for me, it's a lot the maputi if after this time of typhoon, but I'm using the 3 pounds guys. 3 pounds or 4 pounds. I'm not using that one. That's better using 6 pounds because a big mama guys bite your line. Yeah, yan ang may request. Ang dami kong sasabihin pa sa inyo guys. Kaya kayo mga sa Pilipinas yan, ibang technique namin dito sa Saipan, saka yung technique nyo dyan sa Pilipinas guys. Right? Ma-enjoy ka lang dyan. Good morning sa lugar mo. Yan guys, oh. Yan. Malapit na yan guys, matapos guys. Yan, another technique Papa Jer guys. Kasi ang sinker natin hindi magkasundo. Kaya ito na lang guys ang ang akin na idea. Pag may araw na guys, the sky is already clean up. If you're nothing to do, go in the beachside. Guarantee. I have Filipino guys I teaching in the beachside, and only not Filipino, Korean, Chinese, American. I give my technique, but you have another one Filipino guys. After she asking me what Papa Joe, what the technique that using the braid and what kind of line you using and what's your spot, guys. I first time I go my spot, she's smiling to me because Papa Jerry, I already go your spot and I see the big bucket, like this bucket, the igloo, guys, almost full 3/4 already, big mama. See that guys? But I don't know that guy, I don't see it already. Maybe she already leaving because she don't have job too in Saipan. But she knows already. Honest to goodness, you guys. And I think we have also a Castro family, the first cousin or brother. I think he's staying there, District 4. Asking to also to how to use this breed, Papa Jerry. He knows too already. fishing only. Because if you not fishing in the pag-fishing namin dito guys, kababayan dito sa aming lugar, sa Saipan, pag wala ka nun, wala ka talagang makuha ng isda, diba? Kaya malapit na guys, so habang ginagawa ko yung yung ititle lang natin, preparing my fishing line. After this, my story about this fishing, after finish this weather, the storm of typhoon, you can see it again my video guys how to catch a lot of mama maputi. Mama maputi in the sea is very easy to catch guys, but mama in the land very hard. Ay, Jesus name guys. Okay guys, be careful, and I love you honestly guys. I love you very much guys, and thank you for your support my channel, and please support also to people I shout out Dan in Guam, mga got up bo, and Gio Habitat in fishing tackle guys. I forgot this my mind no more already. Okay, and this is guys, at least mayroon tayong video, may activities sa araw to ngayon. Okay, kahit nga wala tayong kita, okay lang, enjoy ka lang, at least nag-enjoy naman tayo sa pagpipising. Hasta by the way guys, don't forget, if the sky is clean, let's go in the beach side. You can see me there 100%. Papa Jerry is there. Okay, alright guys, I love you guys. God bless you. I love you guys. See you soon in the beach side. Okay. Love you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. Papa J guys. Love you.